All right, I just got something insane from AppSumo. Let's unbox this. Complex code written by top AI models. Look at this interface. Super clean and modern. I've heard it can build full stack apps instantly. Okay, let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impression, everything feels really intuitive. You get access to 15 plus advanced AI models. Wild, I'm going to try generating a landing page first. Just type what you want. Tech startup landing page. Boom, it spits out code in seconds. The design looks professional, not generic at all. Now, let's see how it handles backend code. I'll ask for a user authentication system. Literally, in under a minute, backend code ready. No more endless Stack Overflow searches. Seriously. Switching between different AI models is seamless. You can compare outputs. Pick your favorite. For developers, this is a productivity game changer. Entrepreneurs, imagine launching MVPs in hours. Startups, you can skip hiring a huge dev team. I'm testing the customization options now. You can tweak the code, add your own logic. It's not just copy-paste. It's truly flexible. The AI understands context, not just keywords. I tried a complex dashboard. Output was spot on. Even error handling is built into the generated code. Security features? Yes, it covers those basics too. I'm impressed with the documentation provided. You get clear instructions for deployment. Integration with popular frameworks is supported. React, NodeJS, Django, Flask, you name it. Switching between front-end and back-end is easy. You can build, test, and deploy all in one place. No need for multiple tools or platforms. The speed of development is honestly unreal. I built a demo app in under 10 minutes. The code quality is surprisingly high. No weird bugs or messy formatting. If you're a solo founder, this is a lifesaver. For small teams, it's a massive boost. I wish I had this during my last hackathon. You can iterate ideas so much faster now. The pricing on AppSumo is actually reasonable. You get lifetime access, no monthly fees. That's rare for AI-powered dev tools. Okay, here's my honest take. If you want to build apps quickly, get this. If you hate boilerplate code, get this. If you want to experiment with AI models, get this. But don't expect it to replace deep custom coding. It's perfect for MVPs, prototypes, and quick launches. I'd recommend it for devs, entrepreneurs, startups. Ready to level up your workflow? Check out Complex Code by Top AI Models on AppSumo. Links in the description. Go grab your copy now. Let me know what you build with it.